Creating course videos has never been easier thanks to the advancements in AI tools. Whether you're new to course creation or looking for a faster way to produce quality content, using AI can streamline the entire process. In this video, we'll break down how you can create course videos using AI in 3 easy steps.
Hey, I'm Henry and I'm from Product Creation Formula. And here at Product Creation Formula, we love to give you tips and tricks to be able to help you create your products quickly and easily. Along with that, we also do product reviews as well as tips on how to make money online. So if that sounds interesting to you, how about you smash the like button as well as subscribe and also hit the bell icon so you can be notified when we upload more videos. Alright guys, let's go check it out.
Step 1. Niche research and creating an outline. The first step to creating your course is niche research. Before you start writing scripts or recording videos, it's essential to know who you're creating the course for and what problem you're solving. AI tools like ChatGPT or Deep AI can help you with your niche research by generating insights and ideas based on popular topics, current trends, or specific industries. Here's how you can do it. Start by using ChatGPT to generate a list of niche topics based on your interests or areas where you already have expertise. Ask the AI to identify trending subjects within those areas or find common problems that people are facing. For example, if you want to create a course about editing PLR products using AI, ask ChatGPT to analyze what types of PLR products that people are looking to improve or modify. This will give you a solid understanding of what's in demand, helping you craft a course that will appeal to a wide audience. Once you've pinpointed your niche, the next step is to create an outline. The outline is the blueprint of your course, breaking down the lessons and key points you want to cover. Here's how to do it. Using the insights from your niche research, ask ChatGPT to help you create a course structure. For example, if your course is about how to edit PLR using AI, your outline might include sections like 1. Introduction to PLR. 2. Why edit PLR? 3. The best AI tools for PLR editing. 4. Step-by-step guide to editing PLR content with AI. An outline is essential because it provides a clear path for the entire course. It ensures that you're not just creating random content, but following a logical flow that builds on each lesson. Once you've got your niche and outline, you're ready to move to the next step. Step 2. Writing the script using AI. Now that you've completed your niche research and outlined your course, it's time to write the script. This is where AI tools like ChatGPT or Deep AI really come in handy. Rather than spending hours manually writing each lesson, you can use AI to quickly generate a course script that aligns with your outline. Here's how you do it. Take each section of your outline and input it into ChatGPT as a prompt. For example, if you have a section called The Best AI Tools for PLR Editing, you can ask ChatGPT to provide a detailed breakdown of those tools and how they work. The AI will generate the content based on your instructions, making sure it's clear, informative, and easy to follow. Once the script is generated, make sure you proofread it. While AI tools are great for creating content quickly, they may need some human touch to refine the tone or clarify certain points. You can also add personal stories or examples to make the content feel more engaging. And don't forget to ensure that everything flows smoothly from one section to the next, so your viewers aren't lost. Step 3. Recording the voiceover and creating video with AI tools. Now that your script is ready, it's time to bring it to life with a voiceover and video. For the voiceover, I recommend using TTS OpenAI or Murph to convert your script into a professional sounding narration. These tools allow you to paste your script into their interface and select from a range of voices to match your course's tone. This step is important because a good voiceover keeps the audience engaged, and using AI to generate it saves you the hassle of recording everything yourself. Always listen to the voiceover with headphones while following along with the script. This helps you ensure that the voiceover is clear, smooth, and accurate. If the AI mispronounces anything or the pacing is off, you can easily adjust the script and regenerate the audio. This process makes sure that every instructional point is communicated effectively. After your voiceover is ready, it's time to create the video. For this, I recommend using AI-powered tools like Pictory in Video or Steve AI. These tools allow you to generate high-quality videos from your script and voiceover with minimal effort. Here's how you do it. Upload your script and voiceover into one of these platforms, and the AI will automatically suggest visuals, stock footage, or animations to accompany the audio. However, since you're creating a course, it's likely that you'll need to show specific steps or software in action. This is where screen recording comes in. Use a tool like OBS Studio, Camtasia, or Active Presenter to capture your screen as you demonstrate certain tasks or workflows related to your course content. For example, if your course involves editing PLR products, you'll want to record your screen while showing exactly how to do that using AI tools. While recording, play your voiceover through headphones and follow along. This ensures that the visuals and the audio are in sync, and the viewer can clearly understand what's happening on screen. Once you've captured your screen recording, you can easily insert these clips into your video using Pictory in Video or Steve AI. The combination of the AI-generated visuals, your screen recordings, and the voiceover will result in a polished and professional-looking course video. Bonus tip: editing and fine-tuning the video. Once your video is assembled, take some time to review the entire thing. Make sure everything flows well, from the voiceover to the visuals and screen recordings. Double check for any mistakes or areas where the AI might not have chosen the best footage, and make adjustments if necessary. Many AI video tools like InVideo and Pictory allow you to add finishing touches such as transitions, text overlays, or your brand logo with just a few clicks. These final edits can make a big difference in the overall professionalism of your course video. Once everything looks great, export your video in the appropriate format and upload it to your course platform or YouTube. By following these 3 easy steps, you'll be able to create high-quality course videos quickly and easily, all while using the power of AI to streamline the process.
Now, if you got some value out of this video, how about you smash the like button as well as subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so you can be notified when we upload more videos. Hey, while you're at it, why not consider sharing, and also leave a comment down below and let me know what you think of this video. Also, to let you know that right here is a video I believe you might like. Down here is a video YouTube thinks you might like. And right here, well, that's an image in my head. And if you click on that, you'll be able to subscribe. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.